Do you know how to give advice and talk about duty in English? Let's learn three power models: should, ought to and must. ઇંગ્લિશમાં સલાહ આપતા કે ફરજ બતાવતા ત્રણ પાવરફુલ શબ્દો. Let's understand the difference. Should. Should for advice, સલાહ માટે. Ought to. Ought to for moral duty, નૈતિક ફરજ માટે. Must. Must for strong obligation, compulsion, ફરજિયાત, આવશ્યક. Let's understand with examples. You should study daily. તારે રોજ અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ. We ought to respect elders. આપણે વડીલોને માન આપવું જોઈએ. You must wear a helmet. તારે હેલ્મેટ પહેરવું જ જોઈએ. Now quick fix. We must to obey traffic rules. Is it correct? No, it's incorrect. The correct is we must obey traffic rules. Remember, modal verbs followed by V1 form. Modal verb પછી હંમેશા V1 form જ આવે. So use your modal verbs smartly. Follow for more easy English grammar tips.